Hey everyone, so it's Dr. Connie. I am so excited to announce the grand opening of our Suwanee location on November 3rd. We'll be taking over the wonderful space of Rainbow Pilates in Suwanee. I'm more excited to provide the ultimate wellness center where we hope to create a sanctuary for your healing. This is really my dream come true as I feel healthcare today is really sick care. I know this from personal experience of living with a chronic autoimmune condition for the last 19 years. All that we'll offer at Alkaline is what I've personally used not only to heal and reverse my condition, but to create health and vitality in my life. We believe movement is medicine, so we'll offer hot yoga, Pilates, bar, aerial, and pre- and postnatal yoga, as well as kids yoga. We believe food is medicine, so we will offer alkaline nutrition programs where we create individualized menu plans and teach you to heal using foods. We believe mindfulness is medicine, so we'll help you to intentionally manage stress using our signature alkaline brain health protocol to fight Alzheimer's, dementia, and brain fog. So join us for our grand opening on Saturday, November 3rd, where you can meet Team Alkaline and sample free classes all day. Hope to see you there, and please RSVP on the link below.